So I just put this pillow down, and she literally walked up to it and stood right on it. Now, let's see if she'll do it again. That was so cute, and she was so confident. She's never done a pillow before. Yep, confident, good. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Use your air over here. Oh, baby. Good. Yeah. Nice. You're good at that, kid. Don't get frustrated. Don't get frustrated. You can't be that hungry. Hi, cutie. Come on in. Very good. She's super smart puppy. Okay, come here. Let's put your back end on there, okay? Let me load up. Hold on. Let me load up. I'm gonna load up. Okay. Back up. Very nice. Come on. Okay, back. Good. Come here. Back up. Back. Don't be sad. Here, back, back. Come here. Come on. You're crying like your mommy does. Okay, come on. We're gonna have to do this away from her when she's not here, because she will cry and cry. She is mad at me. Honey. Well, I picked it the wrong time there. Back up. Okay, come on. Very nice. It is a little weird. You're not gonna step on it? Honey. I know it's weird. I know. It's weird and new and different and uncomfortable. Okay, come on. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Be, touch. Touch. Very good. Okay, back. Good. Really good. That's been hard. Okay, you ready? Okay, go sniff. 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 Good job, babe.